Now we will learn about the next periodic trend, which is ionization potential or the ionization energy, or we will use a term ionization enthalpy. You can denote it as IP or IE. We generally use ionization potential word. So this ionization potential basically means the amount of energy required to remove a loosely bounded a loosely bounded electron from the outermost shell. So for example, sodium, it has its electronic configuration 281. So this is the one electron which is there in the outermost shell. So it means the amount of energy which is required to remove this electron from the neutralized gaseous atom and to convert this into a positively charged gaseous ion is known as a ionization energy or the ionization potential. So when we remove one electron, it is converted, it loses one electron and it gains a positive charge. Now its electronic configuration is 2A. So this is basically the amount of energy required to remove one electron from the sodium atom is known as the ionization energy. Now let's see the factors which affects the ionization potential. The first is atomic size. So first of all, when we have greater is the atomic size, we can easily remove the electron, and when we can easily remove the electron, that we require a less energy to remove an electron, it means the ionization potential is decreases. When we have, like for example, we have four shells and so the atomic radius will increase, because of which the nuclear pull will be very less over here, so we can easily remove electron from here. But in the same case, if we have two shells and when you have to remove electron from the second shell, so it will require more energy in comparison to this. So because of, as it requires less energy to remove an electron from the outermost shell, so the ionization potential will decrease. Now next factor is nuclear charge. When we have more nuclear charge, that is a more attraction. This is what I'm talking about. When the electrons are near, they have more nuclear charge, they are more attracted towards the nucleus, because of which we require more energy to remove the electrons, and due to which the ionization potential will increase. Now let's see the trends in case of ionization potential. So first of all, when we are moving down the group. So when you're moving down the group, we have lithium, we have sodium, potassium, rubidiums. This is 2,1, 2,8,1, 2,8,8,1. This is 2,8,18,8,1. Now you can see as we are moving down the group, so our number of shells are increasing. Number of shells are increasing, it means our atomic size is increased. Atomic size increases, it means this is very easy for us to remove the electron from the last shell, and we can easily remove the electron from the last shell, which therefore it requires less energy and IP decreases. Now let's see if we are moving across the period. So we have lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. And electronic configuration is 2,1, 2,2, 2,3, 2,4, 2,5, and 2,6. So here you can see when we are moving left to right, the number of shells, they remain same. When the number of shells are same, it means electrons are added on the same shell, and as the electrons are getting added on the same shell, so the nuclear pull will increase and the atomic size or the radius will decrease, and you will require more energy to remove an electron. More energy is required to remove electron, right? Therefore, the IP will increase. I hope this is clear to you people. When we are moving down the group, the number of shells are increasing, atomic sizes increases. जितना दूर हम अपने पेरेंट्स से रहेंगे उतनी जल्दी हम बिगड़ने के चांसेस होते हैं. When you are near, then it is very difficult for you to get the bad habits. That is the same. जितना दूर दूर होगा इलेक्ट्रॉन उतना इजीली उसको शेल में से निकाल सकते हैं, उतनी कम एनर्जी लगेगी. बट जितना न्यूक्लियस के पास में होगा इलेक्ट्रॉन, इट रिक्वायर्स मोर एनर्जी टू रिमूव the electron who is near to the nucleus, and as a more energy is required, that means the IP will increase. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.